Hello and welcome to Programming for Scientific Research with Python and R. I'm thrilled to have you here. In this course, you will gain practical skills in Python and R that are essential for scientific research, data analysis, and visualization. What to expect? You will embark on a comprehensive journey through both Python and R programming languages. We will start with the basics and advance to complex data handling, statistical analysis, and machine learning. Here is a brief overview of what we will cover. Getting started. We will begin with setting up your Python and R environments. You will learn how to install necessary tools and configure your workspace. Python basics. You will learn fundamental programming concepts in Python, including data types, control flow, functions, and modules. R basics. You will learn deep into R, covering functions, data types, and packages, which are essential for data analysis in R. Then, data handling and manipulation. You will master file handling, data import, and manipulation in both Python and R. Then scientific computation. We will explore scientific computation libraries, perform statistical analysis, and apply zonal statistics in Python, while also covering descriptive statistics, correlations, ANOVA, and regression in R. Then learn how to create compelling visualizations with a Python and R, including a basic plotting, advanced graphs, and animated plots. Introduction to AI. We will introduce you to artificial intelligence concepts, process geospatial data, and dive into deep learning with both Python and R. And case studies. Apply your knowledge to real-world scientific research problems, including climate data analysis and air quality monitoring. Course structure. This course is organized into sections, each focusing on a specific topic. You will find a mix of lectures, coding exercises, quizzes, and practical assignments. Getting started. To get the most out of this course, follow the steps outlined in each lecture and actively engage with the coding exercises and quizzes. Don't hesitate to ask questions and participate in discussions. The more you practice, the more proficient you will become. Course goals. By the end of this course, you will be equipped to use Python and R for a wide range of scientific research tasks, from data manipulation and statistical analysis to create insightful visualizations and applying machine learning techniques. Let's get started on this exciting journey together.